I've been down bad sick. I've been coughing so much, and my throat is sore. And the only thing I found that soothes it is a milkshake. And if you're wondering who keeping Burger King in business, me. When I tell y'all this soothes my throat, my throat been on fire. I cannot eat certain things. I don't really have an appetite, and when I do try to eat or drink something, like I tried to drink a Sprite, burnt my throat, aggravated my throat, irritated my throat. But this strawberry milkshake from Burger King is what the doctor ordered. I can literally drink this and my throat is fine. Anything else right now, it irritates my throat. And I tell y'all, y'all girl been down bad sick. I've been down bad sick. That's why y'all have not seen me. But I'll be back. But I had to go get me something that I can drink because I don't have an appetite. I ate some chicken noodle soup from Chick-fil-A. My husband bought me some chicken noodle soup. I did eat that, but I needed something for my throat. This from Burger King, strawberry. What's your flavor? Let your girl know.